Precocious, unusually advanced or mature in development, especially mental development. Flowering, fruiting, or ripening early. Precursor, a person, animal, or thing that goes before and indicates the approach of someone or something else. Harbinger. Predatory, characterized by plunder, pillage, robbery, or exploitation. Predecessor, a person who precedes another in an office, position, etc. Predicament, an unpleasantly difficult, perplexing, or dangerous situation. Predicate, to proclaim, connote, imply, or assert. Predominance, the state, condition, or quality of having power, authority, or influence over others. Predominate, to appear more noticeable or imposing than something else. To surpass others in authority or influence. Preeminence, the state or character of being superior, surpassing. Preempt, to take action in preparation for a future event. Pre-engage, to put under obligation, especially to marry, by a prior engagement. Pre-exist, to exist beforehand or in a previous state. Preface, a preliminary statement in a book by the book's author or editor, setting forth its purpose and scope, expressing acknowledgement of assistance from others, etc. Preferential, showing or giving preference. Preferment, the state of being preferred, advancement or promotion. Prefix, an affix placed before a word, base, or another prefix to modify a term's meaning. Prehensible, able to be seized or grasped. Prehensile, adapted for seizing, grasping, or taking hold of something. Able to perceive quickly. Prehension, the act of seizing or grasping. Prejudice, an unfavorable opinion or feeling formed beforehand or without knowledge, thought, or reason. Prelacy, the order of religious dignitaries. Prelate, a church dignitary. Prelude, a preliminary to an action, event, condition, or work of broader scope and higher importance. Premature, mature or ripe before the proper time. Premier, the head of the cabinet in some countries. Prime Minister. Premise, a proposition supporting or helping to support a conclusion, a tract of land including its buildings. Premonition, a feeling of anticipation of or anxiety over a future event. Preoccupation, the state of being engrossed by something to the exclusion of other things. Preordain, an act or established by law, edict, etc. beforehand. Preponderant, superior in weight, force, influence, numbers, etc. Preponderate, to be superior in power, force, influence, number, amount, etc. Prepossession, a prejudice, especially one in favor of a person or thing. Preposterous, completely contrary to nature, reason, or common sense. Prerogative, an exclusive right, privilege, etc., exercised by virtue of rank, office, or the like. Presage, an omen, prognostic or warning indication. Foresight. Prescience, knowledge of things before they exist or happen. Prescient, having knowledge of things or events before they exist or happen. Having foresight.